Good morning, everyone. I'm here to talk about the importance of outdoor games. In today's world, children are often seen glued to screens, be it TV, mobile, or computer. This has led to a sedentary lifestyle which can have a negative effect on their physical and mental health. Therefore, outdoor games are essential for overall development. Firstly, outdoor games provide an opportunity for children to engage in physical activities, which helps in maintaining good health. These activities can include running, jumping, cycling, and playing sports like cricket, football, basketball, and many others. They not only help in building muscles but also improve coordination and balance. Secondly, outdoor games encourage teamwork and leadership skills. Children learn to work together towards a common goal and understand the importance of supporting and helping each other. This also helps in building self esteem and confidence in children. Thirdly, outdoor games provide an opportunity for children to explore and appreciate nature. Spending time outdoors can help in reducing stress and anxiety, which in turn improves mental health. Playing in natural surroundings can also inspire creativity and imagination. Finally, outdoor games teach children important life skills like patience, perseverance, and sportsmanship. They learn to accept defeat and victory with equal grace, which is an important life lesson. In conclusion, outdoor games are essential for the physical, mental, and social development of children. Parents and teachers must encourage children to spend more time outdoors and engage in physical activities. So let us all make an effort to promote outdoor games and make them an integral part of our children's lives. Thank you.